guys, so this is the tent right here, the 5x5 tent, and this is how it's looking right now. And we need to reset the tent. So let's go ahead and go through how I reset the tent. It's pretty easy. First thing is, we're gonna get rid of these big pots right here, the 13-gallon double XL pots. Now normally I will reuse my cocoa or my medium twice before I throw it out. For these right here, I'm gonna just go ahead and throw these away. A friend of mine blessed me with 20 bags of the Cultivation Nation, so I got plenty. So instead of pouring this stuff out, which you can pour this stuff out, you can pour your medium out, you can wash these bags and use them again. But I like to start fresh, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw out these bags, and I'm gonna put the bases in a box. So you can see here how we have the auto pot base right there, and then that is the root control sock that's on the bottom of the pots. I'm gonna keep that. I'm just throwing away the 13-gallon fabric pot and the medium inside is what I'm throwing away. So the auto pot bases go into a box because I'm not using these for the next grow. I'm going to be using the 1XL. These are the double XL. Comes in 9-gallon or 13-gallon. I'm going to be using the 1XL for the next grow. So these are going into a box. I'm going to, the supplemental lights, obviously I'm going to get those up. Extension cord, I'm going to get those up. The cords for the auto pots, I'm going to get those up too. And all that stuff is going inside of a box. The supplemental lights is not going inside a box. We're just going to put those up until the next grow, and we'll be using those again for sure. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take down this stuff right here, throw this away. We're going to raise the light up. I'm going to take the fan out of here. Put these up, the bamboo stakes up, and then I'm going to clean up the leaves and everything at the bottom. I'm going to bring a mop bucket in here and I'm going to mop the bottom. I have some alcohol and I'm going to wipe down the walls with the alcohol. And that's how I reset the tent. Basically just cleaning up everything. You can see I got my trash can right here ready to go. Cleaning up everything. Putting everything in its place. The oscillating fans, we just wiped them down. As you can see, they're brand new. We don't have any buildup on here, so we just wipe that down. That's fine. So let's go ahead and do this work. We're gonna reset the tent. You guys are about to get a time lapse. Here we go.
I am a certified hustler, you know I gotta get mine. I've been bowling like a nanny, you know a P I break down. 36 ounces, break it down, that's how I shine. I made a bunch of ski, you know they cutting up a line. Cut a line, break it down, you know I'm going out for mine. Cut a line, break it down, you know I'm going out for mine. Break it down on the grind, you know I got out for mine. Bring it down on the grind, you know I gotta get mine. Green and white paint for the whip and the shine on my wrist. Came from the curb, now the curb got my name on the list. Late nights, cold money to hustle for this. Turn the dream to a plan and I double the risk. Rain on the paper, kinda change my phone. Same hunger now, just a rollie in my arm.
Alright guys, so I got all the work done. So you can see I took out the auto pots, boxed them up, swept this, mopped it, wiped down the walls with the alcohol, 70% alcohol. 70 to 90% alcohol is what I recommend to you guys. Wipe down the fans, wipe down the light. Everything's clean and ready to go to the next grow. I want to thank my great sponsor, AC Infinity. Use the code BassDropKeys. You'll get 10% off any order at acinfinity.com. If you have any questions about any of this, put it in the comments section. I appreciate all of you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Much love.